head to tail method. We briefly talked about this in class, and I kind of showed you, think about a treasure map. I have three vectors here. We don't have the components. They're somewhere in space. Here's vector u, vector v, vector w. They all have magnitude, a length, and a direction. Let's say they ask me to sketch the vector 2u plus v. So to find this vector, I start by sketching two u's. Well, this is what u looks like, so I'm going to sketch two of them. 1, 2. I then add the vector v to the end of that. This is what vector v looks like, so I approximate, looks something like this. So here is 2u plus v. Now I need to write the resultant vector. The resultant is you start a vector at the beginning point and you go directly to the ending point. This is the resultant vector. I'm going to label this resultant. This green vector is the vector 2u plus v. Let's say they ask me to do w minus 3v's. Well, I start by sketching w. W looks something like this. And you can approximate the length. Now they ask me to do minus 3v's. So I have to do 3 of them. Here's my v. But I have to do minus. So all I'm going to do is go in the opposite direction. So there are 3 of them. 1. It's minus sign. So I go in the opposite direction. 2. And 3 of them. Again, to find the resultant vector of this, I start at the beginning and draw a vector straight to the ending point. I label this my resultant vector. This is my resultant vector. This green vector is the vector w minus 3v.